But now giving you straight from the opening, the initial spray, the first things that you get are you get a real nice brightness that is from pepper, and you get a spiciness that is from clove. I like the bright opening. It's really nice. And right with that, you also get, to me, the first thing that I get are the fruit accords. And the main thing that I get is peach in the beginning, mixed with a blend of citruses. Now, at the time, I could not pick out citruses, but I do know it's grapefruit. I do know it's bergamot. So I do know now that I looked at the notes what they are. But the peach is very prominent, and the and then it's mixed with citruses, which ends up being grapefruit and bergamot. We'll go through all the notes and give you that information shortly. But then after you have that, you start to get some rose and florals, which I found out is jasmine. And the jasmine is prominent, so you can tell that you get a nice blend of rose and the jasmine. Jasmine is usually very pronounced, and it's a very interesting floral in and of itself. And that blends in to kind of take some of the sharpness from the spiciness of the pepper and the clove. So this is a masterful blend, and actually it's a blend of 22 notes. So they come together very nicely. It's blended so well and it's well crafted that sometimes it's hard to pick the individual notes, and that's why I'm giving you some of the main things that come out to me. So I talk about the rose, I talk about the jasmine, and then there's some incense that is coming up. And what Christian Petrovich said is that he wanted it not to be overly smoky. He wanted it to be like a smoldering effect. And to me, it gives kind of that effect in it. And it gives to me the effect of when you see a log burning and you see it like bright orange, and you know that it's embers and that it's bright orange because it is burning on the inside, but you don't see the flame on the outside. That's what I get when I smell this. So I really think that Christian did a great job in giving that incense and that smoldering type nature, but not making it an overly smoky fragrance.